This is a review of the 1999 to 2004 Ford Mustang cold air intakes that I would highly recommend. These cold air intakes are probably one of my most favorite things I got on for the 1999 2004 Mustang. And this overall improves the horsepower. You get a better throttle response, also a better miles per gallon as well too. And I just overall, love these cold air intakes. They are pretty much like the factory OEM fits. You can see that I have the mass airflow sensor plugged in. Everything is plugged in like how it's supposed to be. And you can see that the clamps that is provided is also good as well too. I would definitely recommend this cold air intake for your 1999 2004 Mustang if you're looking for a pretty much if you're looking for a better throttle response, miles per gallon, also a increase of torque and horsepower. This does do all that. It gives you a better whistling sound too, and when you get on the gas, it also opens up and you can hear your engine more as well too. So if you're looking for something like that, then this cold air intake definitely does do that, and I would overall recommend it if you're looking into getting a aftermarket cold air intake. Then this is probably one of the best ones.